Don't ever think na tama ka, sila. Baka in their eyes, tama sila. You just have to accept that and respect that. Kasi pananaw nila yun eh. It's not your job to convince them to like you or to win them. Your crown is not found in winning them over. It's okay. It's okay to lose these battles. In this life, you have to know which battles you are willing to lose to win the war.
Alam mo, totoo talaga yan. Kung anong madalas mong iniisip, kung anong gusto mo dun papunta buhay mo.
You will know if someone is successful when that person wants other people to be successful. That is my true definition of a successful person. When that person wants to help others to be successful, it's because he is successful. But when a person doesn't want others to be successful, because he's not really successful. But successful people, they always want to bring others up. They always want to help others.
Exactly.
That's a true definition for me ng mga successful people. Alam mo, naniniwala kasi ako, lahat ng pinagdadaanan natin, preparasyon yan sa susunod na mangyayari sa buhay mo. Malamang itong malaking pagsubok na ito na pinagdaanan mo, may maganda kasing kapalit ito eh. So hinahanda ka muna. Laging ganun eh. Minsan dadaan ka sa masakit. O bago mo makuha yung, pag binalikan mo, kaya ako pala pinagdaanan ito kasi mangyayari pala ito. Hinahanda pala ako para dito.
You want something so bad, let go. Surrender mo. One day magugulat ka. Nasa harap mo. Kahit napaka-imposible na para makuha mo yung isang bagay. Doon ang pinaka-favorite feeling ko. Yun ang pinaka-favorite ni God. Yun ang expertise niya. Parang sasabihin niya, di ba mukha nang imposible makuha mo yan. Please answer my prayer in the most impossible way. Parang wala silang ibang masabi kundi
si Lord.
Si Lord lang ang gumawa niyan para sa kanya. Yun lang ang gusto kong lesson na may share.